Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add brand logos to your design with Canva. All you have to do now, you can download and install Canva for free if you don't have. So then you have to create a new account in order to use all the design or the service that Canva provide for you. And if you already have, please update your Canva. Let's start by click on apps. Here you can find the trending apps. This is the brand fetch logo created by brand fetch. Easily add brand logos to your design. So say goodbye to searching for the latest brand logos. Brand fetch give you instant access to millions of logos, colors, fonts and more, so you can elevate your design. So let's start by click use in new design, and let's start with the whiteboard. So here we go. You can enter a brand name or URL. So let's start with the Under Armour, this one. So here you can click on if you click on claim brand fetch logo wants to open their website in a new tab. So here the Under Armour logo that you can use into your design. Brandfetch logo has successfully uploaded the media to your library. And let's try another logo. For example, let's try a from Japan. There's a Bandai Namco Toys or Bandai Namco Studios. So if you click this again, Brandfetch logo want to open the website, and here you can use this or this. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.